Guys, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's a beautiful day out here. My name is Dev and welcome to all the new members that came in yesterday. I think I got about 7 new members, so welcome to my channel. Now today I had the TRX4 for the very first time after, it broke down the servo in the ESC. So today it's back up and running, and I also have all the scalar mods on it. Let me show you guys from the insides first. I really enjoyed doing this project. I actually modded it up a little bit from outside, so here it is. So I'm here today near these rocks, and there's some over that side. So we're gonna try it out today with our crawler, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose.
As well as losing. Our wars will lead to a new and rotten world. My world. I am X-Land.
Gonna feel this.
Alright, today was a lot of fun, guys. The TRX4 turned out to be awesome. I love doing trail runs and, you know, rock crawling, all that stuff. So thanks a lot for tuning in to RC Overdose, guys. I hope you have a great day. Peace. Stay tuned for more.